So in this video, we're going to carry on from the last video looking at is it love or is it limerence? And in this video, we're going to look at is this love or is it something else? So, the thing is, what if what you're feeling isn't love? But something that looks like it. But it is very confusing, isn't it? And it's puzzling when you're going around with your head full of thoughts of somebody. It's so intense. It feels like it must be love. But there is another word for it, and for what I was describing in the last video, and it's called limerence. Now, many of you may have never heard of that word before. Most people haven't, but many people absolutely have lived it. And I have had clients who have had their lives turned upside down. I've had clients who've had relationships, long-term marriages broken up on account of it, families broken up on account of it, because limerence is not simply attraction. It's not just interest. It's a very intense psychological and emotional state where your attention becomes focused on one person in a way that feels so compelling, and it's so difficult to interrupt the incessant focus and preoccupation with them. You think about them repeatedly. You're looking for signs that they are reciprocating, and you're trying to understand what is it that they feel. And often there just isn't clarity about it. And that uncertainty is important. It's an important feature of these kind of relationships, that uncertainty, because it's part of what keeps the experience going, the uncertainty is. And that's why it can feel so powerful. Not because it's love the way we think of love, but because it engages your mind and your emotions in a very, very specific way. So, in the next video, I'm going to explain why this feels so intense and why it's so hard to step away from. So, if this is beginning to resonate with you, the next part will help you to understand why is it that it feels so strong. Bye for now. See you in the next video.